Hi, in this lesson we're going to set up our program. We will start with an empty directory, and I will create a new text file with the name cmakelists. It is important to name it exactly like me. I will then open up Visual Studio on my computer, and as soon as it loads, you can go into the file and then open and then cmake. A file select window will appear. And here we need to find our new empty file and open it. I copy mine from the directory path and then select the file. Visual Studio will now set up our project for working with CMake. This is well integrated and Visual Studio will do all the work for you. I will explain everything you need to know about CMake that we will use. As a start, CMake is a build management tool. It is used to generate build files for other build programs. It allows this code to easily work for other platforms and IDEs. CMake has written configuration files that support a rich programming syntax, also known as the CMake language. We will start our file with the CMake minimum required command. Then we pass the capital word version, and then we write out 3.22. If you use older version of Visual Studio, you might go with a lower version like 3.17. Most of the features we are using here are pretty basic and are supported by quite a few versions. Then I will write out the project command and give our project a name. I name it Vulkan Engine. Then we want to add a simple executable, which we name in the same way. Our project will also have a separate source directory, so I add it now. And inside, I add a new file called main.cpp. In this file, I will write a typical Hello World application that you should already be familiar with. Include IOStream, then main and see out a Hello World message. Then I go back to the CMake file and I add the path source/main.cpp so that this file gets compiled. We can then go to the build and build O, or you can use the shortcut control Shift-B. After that, we want to run our target, which can be done by dropping down this run menu here and selecting the Vulkan Engine exe file, and then clicking again on the run button itself. And we can see our hello world in the console window that pops up. If we now want to find our executable, we can minimize Visual Studio and you will see an out directory. And if you follow the directories inside, you will eventually get to this x64 debug where our project is built. This is it for this lesson, and see you in the next one.